Very excited to talk to you a little bit about what we're doing here at Konftel in regards to the education platform and also telemedicine. We're going to go into some details about the products, the overviews, the specialized pricing, and everything we can do to help you. Two things are very important for schools. First and foremost, audio has to be crucial. Audio is important for the teacher to be heard and also for the kids at home to hear the teacher when she's speaking. So what we provide is a couple different solutions, whether it be the Konftel Ego, a little small USB Bluetooth driven device, or the 55 series phone, which is the 55 or the 55WX, giving you a bigger pickup range in the microphone. These microphones are 360 degrees. So wherever the teacher is at in the classroom, that microphone is picking them up. That microphone is able to be heard, more importantly for the kids at home and also for the teacher when a kid does ask a question. We're seeing a massive uptick in both the Ego, the 55 and the 55WX. Also on the audio, I want to talk to you a little bit about is these devices are very user-friendly. They're also vendor agnostic. So we work on any platform, Google Meet, we work on Zoom, we work on Teams, we work on GoToMeeting. So whatever your school or your healthcare opportunity is utilizing, know that our devices will pair with them and work as an audio device. The second aspect that schools are looking for and telemedicine are looking for is video. So we have two devices that I'm going to show you throughout this video. First one being the Konftel Cam 20, which I'm currently talking to you on right now. What it gives you is a nice wide angle, 123 degree wide angle lens, so it picks up the classroom very quickly and provides the teacher with an HD video. So the kids at home can see clearly what's going on and also take good notes. They can follow along and feel like they're sitting in the classroom, in the front of the classroom, about 8 to 10 feet away from the whiteboard. Our devices can be mounted on a tripod. They can be mounted on top of a laptop screen. They can be put in the ceiling utilizing a third-party ceiling mount. Our devices are very flexible. Big thing is, again, vendor agnostic. We work on Google Meet, we work on GoToMeeting, we work on Teams, we work on Zoom. As you can see here, I borrowed my son and daughter's little whiteboard, and one of the key things that schools are looking at is what we call presets. And what presets allow you to do is if I'm in lecture mode, which I'm in right now, nice wide angle lens, as a teacher, I'm able to look and provide the students with a nice image of myself, the whiteboard behind me, and anything else I may have in the classroom that I want to show. But with the remote control provided, what you can do with our presets is zoom in on a specific location. So let's say I have a math problem right here. 2 + 2 = 4, but I want to show this to the kids at home. I want them to be able to take notes what I'm doing and see it clear. They're seeing it clear right now, but what we're able to do with our presets, hit a button on the remote control and immediately jump to that location. Now the students are able to see it more clearly. It's zoomed in, so it's showing them that aspect and giving them a nice, clear picture of that whiteboard. Let's say I want to jump back to the main screen, the lecture mode. I'm going to hit home button on the remote control. It's going to zoom me back out. What I can also do is maybe I have something over here that I want to show, a map of the US or anything along those lines. I hit a button on the remote control and now I immediately jump over there. So as a teacher, I'm not having to move around and mess with the zoom in, zoom out, up, down, left, right functionality. That can be on a case-by-case basis. If you do want to show something over there that's not set as a preset, it gives you that flexibility to be able to do that. So you do have that capability in the Cam 20. Our other camera that we have is really being designed more in the lower education space, really being designed more for, I want to say universities, colleges, things of that nature. That device that I'm showing you now is the Cam 50, which is our full pan tilt zoom camera. So it gives you a lot of opportunities to zoom around the classroom. So if you have a water table, if you have a counting station, if you have something else you want to show. Again, the Cam 50 can be mounted in the ceiling. It can be mounted on a tripod. It can be put in the back of the classroom. It does come with a wall mount bracket if you want to mount it to the wall somewhere. All of our devices, again, USB driven. You can utilize a USB extender if you need to increase the the range of the camera. But the same thing with the Cam 50. It gives you the flexibility of the presets to be able to zoom in and provide a 12x optical zoom. It allows you to zoom around the classroom. Right there, you're going to get a chance to see my son and daughter's art project that they do, practicing coloring in the line. So you're getting a nice clean image of that Cam 50, able to zoom around the classroom. The last thing we've utilized in the classroom setting is our OCC hub, or our one cable connection hub. What that allows you to do is tie the classroom in together. So the teacher can come in with their laptop, find the single USB cable provided with the OCC hub, plug into their laptop, that pairs their audio device, the Konftel Ego, the 55 to 55WX. It also pairs their camera, the Cam 20 or the Cam 50 that I was showing a minute ago. This way, the customer and the teacher has no questions. They're not calling IT, trying to figure out how to launch their classroom. On the hub, the last port that's available is the Hdmi Hub. It can be plugged in to an additional screen to give you two screens. So the teachers can see the students on screen A, have their lesson plan on screen B, and be able to see that aspect. And be able to focus on the lesson plan, but also if Billy has a question, they can see Billy raise their hand. All of these devices are available through Jenny. They can be kitted through Jenny. There are also individual SKUs on the Cam 20, on the Ego, the audio devices we've talked about, and the cameras. But there is also a one-stop shop type SKU, which gives you the audio device, the hub, and the camera all in one SKU, all at a discount. I truly appreciate it. Please let your Jenny sales rep know if you have any questions, if you want to dive into a deeper discussion to talk about the solutions in both education and telemedicine. We're happy to be here. Give me a call with any questions you may have. Thank you and take care.